Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make dip bars using readily available PVC pipe and fittings. You'll need about 20 feet of 1.5-inch thick PVC pipe, along with 4 90-degree elbows and 4 T-joints for the structure. Don't forget PVC glue for strong connections, a tape measure, a marker, and a saw for precise cuts. Adding grip tape to the top bars will enhance comfort and safety during your workouts. Now let's get to cutting your PVC pipes accurately. You'll need 2 pieces, each 24 inches long, for the top bars where you'll grip. Next, cut 4 support bars, also 24 inches each, to provide vertical height. For the base, prepare 4 exterior bars, each 12 inches long, and 4 interior base bars, also 12 inches each. Precise measurements ensure a stable and functional dip station. With your pipes cut, it's time to assemble the main structure. First, glue a 90-degree elbow to each end of your 2 24-inch top bars. Then, attach the 4 24-inch support bars into these elbows, making sure they extend downwards. Next, secure T-joints to the bottom of each support bar, orienting the open ends outwards. Finally, insert the 12-inch base bars into these T-joints, creating a sturdy rectangular base for each side. To finalize your dip bars, apply PVC glue to every connection point for maximum strength. It's crucial to let the glue cure completely, which usually takes at least 24 hours, before putting any weight on the bars. For added comfort and a secure grip, wrap grip tape around the top bars. Before your first workout, always perform a careful weight test to ensure your homemade dip station is completely stable and safe for use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.